What's happening? Dustin here with another episode of Life in a Mustang, and today this tool is cool, which I have not brung you in quite some time. It's just it's been a little hectic to try to work a 56-hour job and juggle making these videos. Alright, so what I got for you today is a vise. Now this is a 4-inch vise, as you can see. It's right here. It is a pretty well made one. Now you can buy these from eBay, Amazon. They're a little lighter, a little cheaper, may not hold up as long. This one's probably been around since the early 70s or 80s. It's very heavy, very solid, and you can get vices all the way up to like 13 inches, and some of them can cost up to $3,000. This vise, when it was new, probably cost around $300 to $400. I got it as a gift from my uncle. He heard I needed one, and he goes to auctions and he bought me one. Now you can find tools all over the place, stores, Harbor Freight, it doesn't really matter. Auctions are a great place to buy tools. Like I said, he gave me this one, and it is actually pretty amazing. I actually used it today for some lighting rig because I plan on bringing this tool is cool back while I'm waiting on parts for the car, because lately it's been kind of a struggle getting these parts to the car. Now actually the suspension components were shipped out today. I'm waiting on a forward-facing turbo kit, and I've seriously been thinking about going to 4-valve, so I may be selling some pistons, and I may be selling a forward-facing turbo kit. I'm not sure yet. I am really debating on going to a 4-valve swap just because I know I can get up to around 7 to the tires, but I want more. And yeah, this has been a slow process, very slow process, very expensive. Like I said, I just paid property taxes here at this house. It's rather expensive for property taxes. I could have done a full-blown coyote swap, but yeah, I'm not made of money. I make, you know, under $60,000 a year. Yeah, so anyways, let's get to this vise, and I will show you some of the things that it can do. I'm going to use this little piece of metal because that's what I found, and I'm going to show you how to make a bracket or anything. Vices are really good for drilling. Now there's all different types of vices. If you take a look right here, that drill press, they make vices for that, and they're like a 4-axis. They can move forward, aft, side to side, and that way you don't have to manipulate that heavy tray that's on there. But I don't have one of those yet, and once I get into some fabrication work, I'll definitely buy one. But for now, this is how you use this thing. Here is this one right here. I don't have it bolted in yet, but you would loosen this. Sometimes they need some persuasion. Just loosen that up, right? And you see this bar right here slides, and that loosens, and then it turns on its base. And then say I want to get it over here so I can turn this handle, and then you just lock it back down, and now it won't move again. Now this should be bolted in. I don't have it bolted in just yet because I'm in the process of making a workbench. Now this right here slides back and forth. I'm gonna put this piece of metal in, and I'm gonna just turn it in like that. I used to use these a lot building brackets for police cars and stuff. I used to do all the wiring for them. So now that I got this metal piece in there, say this is a piece of aluminum, afterwards you could polish it, do whatever, and then say I need some sort of L bracket. It's kind of like a press brake. You just hammer it over, hammer it just like that. You loosen it up, and now I could take it over to the drill press and pop in holes here and here and here and here, and maybe mount a light or something. And then on the back of the vise here, we'll go ahead and loosen this up right here. Loosen that, turn it. And right here is kind of like an anvil. Say if I didn't get my bend just right, I could put it on this little part of that anvil, and I I could tap it down and make it flat again. And it's a very hard surface, and that's what it's meant for. So that's the gist on how to use a vise and what you can do with it. I've always used vices for making brackets or holding something while I'm screwing it. Like I said, if you want to use one of these on a drill press, you get a 4-axis type of drill press or 4-axis type of vise, and then you can pretty much do anything you want to do. I hope you enjoyed. This has been This Tool is Cool on the channel Life in a Mustang. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later. Peace. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go do some burnout, so watch that video. It's been a while since I've done 2 videos. I hope you enjoy. Bye.